What's up guys, it's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As we can see right now, Bitcoin is doing well. Yep, Bitcoin is still doing well, and with the look of things also, you could also tell that one of the things that's keeping Bitcoin right now is, I can say, the trend line, and also the fact that the Middle East situation also right now is very much okay. There is no escalated news right now at the moment. So yep, without wasting much of your time, if I should dive straight to the weekly, you could see that the market is still very much bullish. Bitcoin is still very much bullish from the weekly. Nothing too serious for us to expect. Even down to the daily right here, Bitcoin is still doing very well. So I can say for now that worst case scenario right now is probably a move towards this level at $79,000 or $80,000 before we could rally all the way into $84,000. Yep, any other move other than that will probably be a worst case scenario that is worse than this, which is a break below 79, a retest, and probably a move towards $71,000. So that is definitely all I can say right now. Based on this other chart right here, you could see from the weekly time frame right here, after we kind of invalidated the bear flag pattern, it's obvious right here that we are most likely going to be retesting. Just like what I said yesterday, we definitely need to retest this major resistance right here. So we have to turn the resistance to support, just like I said. So we've broken out, we've retested the 200 daily moving average, so we could probably drop all the way down to 79,800. Just that's what I said in the previous chart, 79 to like $80,000. Once we're able to find support around here, we could rally much higher to 87,000 based on this chart. And lastly right here, you could see clearly that we are actually at a level of resistance from this particular chart. We haven't majorly broken out of this chart right here, you could see. So things right here are still kind of looking good. Nothing too serious for us to take note of right here, other than the fact that we are either going to be breaking into this resistance into 81,300 level. But once we break into this level, we find support around this level, it's 1,200, then rally all the way into 85,000 plus, and yep, that will definitely be here to keep us up to date for that. So looking at the market also, the USDT dominance being what I've been using for like a month now to indicate where the market is currently heading. The market is the USDT dominance right now is still bearish, and the fact that it's still bearish signifies that we are most likely going to see risk on assets rallying probably till the third week of this month or the last week of this month. So yep, that is just it for the USDT dominance. And for the price of crude oil right here, the price of crude oil is still very much bearish right here, which is very, very good to see. Just like I said it yesterday, we could still end up either let me adjust it. We could still end up dropping all the way to this level, and once we've dropped all the way this level, as we did right here, we could probably bounce off from here, which you could see we kind of did, though we didn't rally all the way to $98, but you could see we still went up. We bounced off from here, and you could see we are still heading back down. So we could consolidate within this range before heading even much lower. So I think this is definitely what we should take note of right here. So I will probably be letting us know what to expect right here. So you could see right here that we are most likely going to consolidate within this range until we finally break below 92.90 dollars, and we could probably head even much lower to this major support at $77. So I think this is definitely all we need to know right now. The S&P 500 still very bullish right here, and I think I read the news that $1 trillion was added into the S&P 500. So the whole AI bubble hasn't even burst or hasn't exploded. So I think we could still end up seeing the S&P 500 rallying its way all the way to $7,680 range. So we don't know when the bubble will burst, but I will definitely be here to keep each and every one of us updated. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. Guys, have a wonderful day. Peace out.